freelancing is no longer just a side hustle, it's a pathway to financial freedom. Hey there today! Let's dive into the top skills you should master in 2025 if you're serious about becoming a successful freelancer. Whether you're aiming to make an extra 10,000 rupees or build a six-figure income, these skills will set you on the right path. Freelancing is experiencing massive growth. Did you know that over 40% of the US workforce has taken up freelancing? This trend is quickly catching on in India too. More people are choosing flexibility and control over their careers. But to succeed, it's crucial to know which skills are in demand. The first skill to master: creating standout YouTube thumbnails. But I'm not talking about those generic, low-budget designs. Instead, learn how to use tools like Midjourney to generate ultra-premium thumbnails. High-quality visuals can mean a higher click-through rate. In 2025, using AI tools will let you produce incredible images that have a 10 times impact. Tip: master Midjourney and prompt-based AI design tools to create eye-catching thumbnails. Next up, let's talk about building AI-powered chatbots. Businesses today need efficient customer support without the hefty cost. With GPT-4 and multimodal capabilities, you can now create chatbots that offer 24/7 support, troubleshoot, and answer FAQs. Learn tools like Vizi and Cursor to build these bots. You could be earning anywhere from 10,000 to 25,000 rupees per chatbot. Tip: automate, support, and reduce costs for companies by building effective AI chatbots. Skill number 3: niche video editing. Video content is booming, and niche video editors are in high demand. Think beyond general editing. Focus on a specific style like ad reels, documentary-style videos, or short-form educational content. By perfecting one style, you'll be the go-to person for creators and brands. Companies are paying anywhere between 10,000 to 70,000 rupees for specialized editing work, and the potential is huge. Skill number 4: newsletter strategy and management. Let's move to newsletters. They've become essential for building relationships with customers, but instead of a typical sales pitch, companies are now focusing on value-driven content that connects with their audience. Learn to craft engaging, valuable newsletters that increase loyalty and brand recall. Brands will pay handsomely for newsletters that keep readers coming back. Tip: write newsletters that deliver value, not just ads. And last, but definitely not least, landing page optimization. Companies spend heavily on ads that bring visitors to these pages. Your role? Craft concise, emotionally engaging content that converts. If you're great at persuasive writing and have an eye for design, this can be a high-paying skill. Take a page from Apple's playbook. Focus on words that inspire emotion and showcase benefits. Tip: use power words to drive engagement on landing pages. These 5 skills could be your ticket to a lucrative freelancing career in 2025. But remember, freelancing is more than just skills. It's about perseverance, resilience, and constantly improving. You might have days when work is slow or clients are challenging, but stay focused on growth and build up your expertise bit by bit. Before long, you'll carve out a niche for yourself. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and share it with others interested in freelancing. And don't forget to check out the 2024 Consumer Trends Report from HubSpot for free insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. Link is in the description. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.